How do I update my GPS on my Chrysler 300? To update the GPS system on your Chrysler 300, you can follow these steps. 1. Visit the official website of Chrysler or the manufacturer of your vehicle's GPS system. 2. Look for the Support or Navigation Updates section on the website. 3. Enter your vehicle's information, such as the make, model, and year, to ensure you get the correct update. 4. Check for any available updates for your GPS system. This may involve downloading files or purchasing a physical update. 5. If you need to download the update, follow the instructions provided on the website to initiate the download process. 6. Once the update file is downloaded, connect a USB drive to your computer and transfer the update file to the USB drive. 7. Insert the USB drive into the USB port of your Chrysler 300. 8. Start your vehicle and turn on the GPS system. 9. The system should detect the update on the USB drive and prompt you to initiate the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions to update the GPS system. 10. Be patient, as the update process may take some time to complete. Do not turn off the vehicle or remove the USB drive during the update. 11. Once the update is finished, the GPS system will reboot, and you should have the latest maps and software installed. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.